Hello everyone, Carlson here, back on New York Times Hot Sudoku. Today is November 17th, 2023. Okay, let's start. Wow, okay, so don't think there's a lot of information up here. Horizontally. So let's move on. Let's see the fours. These fours point right. These fours point down. There's really not much information to get. Okay, this 3 points up, this 3 points in left. In this box, 3, it must go in column 5. So these 3s, they point up. 3 is placed here. And then for other 3s, these 3s point up. The cell also sees the 3 that I just placed. 3 is placed here, points left, placed here. And then these 3s point left. So there we go. I think that's all the markings for 3. I can mark this one, but I don't really want to, since it's not a, it's not a, this kind of pattern, you know what I mean? Alright. Now I got this digit placed, the pattern is better, because these two cells in the same row, C1 and 2, so this is C1, 2 pair down here. The cell sees another 7, so 7 is placed here. This is an 8. These 8s and this 8 force 8 to be here in this cell. And then these two cells are for 6 and 9. And the other 3, 1, 2, and 5. So this cell sees 1, 2 from on the left, so this must be a 5. Remaining 1, 2. These two cells, 5, 6 pair. These 3 cells, 4, 7, 9 triple. Okay, the 3 remaining open cells in column 6, 2, 8, 9. These two cells, C8, so this must be it. The other cell must be an 8. Left with a 2, 9 pair down here. Alright. I think that's some good info. Okay, after I found, because this is a 2, 9 pair, both of these two cells are reserved for 2 and 9. Actually, I don't need to do it this way. I can just say, these 5s point down. Joins up with a 4 to form a 4, 5 pair. So both of these cells, both 4 and 5, they must go in one of these two cells. So they're reserved for 4 and 5, because 2 digit for 2 cells. So that's a pair. Now these two cells are 1 or 7. This cell sees 1. So 7 and 1 in this order. This one points up. These 3 are 3, 6, and 9. These 1s go there. Two goes in one of these two cells. Seven goes in one of these two cells. These 8s are, 3 and 8s. So both 3 and 8s can only go in one of these two cells. So two digits in 2 cells. So that's a 3, 8 pair. So none of other digits apart from 3 and 8 can go in these two cells. So this 7, for example, in this box, it must go in row 8. And then, okay, never mind. V6 is point down. These 8s, put 8 in one of these two cells. Oh, okay, so this is a 3-8 pair, because 3 and 8 here points left. Well, 3-8 from here points down. So both 3 and 8 can only go in these two remaining cells in this box. I mean, only these two cells are reserved for both 3 and 8. So that actually forms a 3-8 pair vertically as well. Alright, that's interesting. So now these 4 cells are for 1, 2, 5, and 9. 1, 2, 5, and 9. 1, 2, 5, and 9. I think others are normal. Okay, because this is a 3-8 pair, in column 3, the other 3 cells are triple of 1, 2, 7. This cell sees both 1 and 7, so this is a 2. Mix the 9 and 2. Forces the 2 to be there because of these 2s. Okay, in row 9, 3 cells left for 4, 5, and 6. Okay, this cell sees both 4 and 6, so it must be a 5. Okay, makes this the 1, cause this can't be 7. 7 goes here. Alright. These 7s point right. Okay, this one eliminates 1 from this cell, places the 1 here, also took away one of the possibilities for both 4 and 8. So they go there. Because I only mark, so far, except for triples, I only mark down digits that are possible to be in 2 cells. 2 of the cells in the same box, so, yeah, I could immediately place this because of my previous markings. Okay, these ones point left. Okay, so this 8 points left, eliminating 8. Eliminating the possibility for 8 in this cell. Places these digits. 8s are done for the whole puzzle. Okay, now these 3s forces a 3 to go in this cell. 3s are done, actually. The last 3 is placed here. Okay, so these, okay, because of this one, this is a 9. 7 is here. 9 here points down. This is the only cell for 9 in this box. These 9s point right. Okay, these 3 cells are for 1, 4, and 6. This cell sees both 1 and 6, so it must be 4. In this order. 5 and 6 for these 2 cells. Okay, 5, 6 pair like this, which means this is a 7, 9 pair here, but this cell also sees another 7. So, they go in this order. these two cells, 2 and 5. This cell sees the 5. They go like that. This is now a 2, because I just placed this one. 6 and 9 left. This cell sees 9. So it goes like that. So I say 5. 6 and 5 and 6 and 5. 6 and 7. This cell sees 6. And I'm done. Okay, so I finished today's hot puzzle in 10 minutes, around 10.5 minutes. At first I thought this puzzle was going to be difficult because there seemed to not be much information on the top, but actually, when you look further, some certain rows or columns, they only have a few cells left, so you could eliminate or find out what digit goes in those cells, and then progress. So keep going, don't give up, be persistent. That's how you play Sudoku. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna end today's video of New York Times Hot Sudoku here. Today is November 17th, 2023. Okay, so I'll see you all on tomorrow's New York Times Hot Sudoku. Bye!